Have you ever wondered how freight density can actually affect your shipping costs? Today, we're getting into the world of freight density calculators. And don't worry, we'll keep it simple and jargon-free. So what is freight density? It's simply how much a shipment weighs compared to how much space it takes up. Think of it like packing a suitcase. If you're heading on vacation, you'd want to fit as much as you can without going over the weight limit, right? That's the same idea with freight. Shippers want to use space efficiently to get the best deal. Here's the kicker. Freight density can really shake up your shipping costs. Some folks might think shipping is all about weight, but space plays a big role too. If you're shipping something large but light, it could cost more than a smaller, heavier item. It's all about how you use that space. Now, how do you figure this out? That's where the freight density calculator comes in. It's like your best buddy when it comes to figuring out shipping costs. You pop in the weight and dimensions of your shipment, and it'll spit out the density. The lower the density, the higher the cost per pound, generally speaking. Let's say you're shipping a bunch of fluffy pillows. They don't weigh much, but they take up a ton of room. A freight density calculator helps you see that even though they're light, they might be pricey to ship. But here's something many people overlook. Freight density also plays a role in damage risk. Lower density shipments, like lightweight furniture or fragile items, are more susceptible to damage if not packed properly. By understanding your freight density, you can not only save on shipping costs, but also take extra precautions to protect your goods. But why should you care? Well, knowing your freight density can help you plan smarter and avoid nasty surprises when you get the bill. Imagine reducing your shipping costs just by packing things a little tighter or choosing the right size box. And now you might be wondering, where do I find one of these nifty tools? Well, look no further than movingauthority.com. We're here to simplify your shipping needs with easy-to-use tools and expert advice. With Moving Authority, you'll find all kinds of resources to help you understand the shipping game better. So whether you're a pro or just starting out, we've got your back. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. And that's a wrap for today. Next time you ship something, remember to check that freight density. It could save you a ton. Thanks for hanging out, and see you next time.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.